Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You answer promptly and state the company and your name. This builds trust. Once you've greeted them, confirm purpose with one short question so you can route efficiently. Make sure the line and headset are working. Adjust volume if needed. Use the phone's hold and mute buttons sparingly and explain when you place someone on hold. This saves time and avoids awkward silence because callers appreciate clear expectations and smooth handoffs. You ask for the caller's name and brief reason so you can choose the right person. This reduces back and forth. Once identified, place the caller on hold and use the consult or announce transfer option to speak to the recipient first. This prevents dropped calls. If the person is unavailable, offer to take a message or schedule a callback with time and contact details. Make sure to confirm the recipient's availability before completing the transfer to avoid. You always close by confirming the agreed next step. Repeat the callback time or recipient's name so there's no confusion. Then immediately log the call in your system with key details and a timestamp. This preserves accountability and helps follow up. If audio or transfer fails, try swapping handset to a different line, rebooting the phone, or escalating to IT while keeping the caller informed. This reduces caller frustration and ensures quick resolution if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.